Alright, hello again. This is Jeff Scott, your instructor for the online version of 152, 157 website development, XHTML, CSS for the fall 2015 semester at Blackhawk Technical College. What I have done is I went in and kind of take it to from the top. I grabbed that candidates thing that was in there, okay, and basically I copied that and I copied it to something that was called shop.html, and I based that pretty much off of what was in our textbook. All right, then I went in and I stripped everything out of it. Basically, I went in and added links to the shop page from index, issues, candidates, and contact. And then so this is what it looks like right now. What I did was I actually went out to, if you care, I went out to donaldjtrump.com, and I went to his shop, and I found a few things. So I decided, well, first, I see him wear that hat all the time. So I went in there and grabbed just the hat part of this image right here. All right, so I grabbed just the hat part, and I put that in there. And then I grabbed this shirt because it also says Make America Great Again. I guess I could have also grabbed the bumper sticker. Maybe that would have even been better. All right. But what I ended up with then was this. Now, again, I added the link for the shop. So now it's home with our video, issues with our podcast, candidates, contact, and now we have shop. All right. And what I did was I took all the stuff for the chapter 12 homework and substituted for the prime properties where they use baskets here, I substituted the other stuff. All right. So you can use this also when you're working on the homework for chapter 12. So I can place this in a cart. Notice there's one in there. And I actually earlier placed one of each in there. I think you can only order one at a time. So I can place my order. I can type in the information. Jeff Scott, J Scott, boom, 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 boom. All right. WI 53547. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going out to the author's site and pulling up her ASP page. Now when you place the order, it comes to an error page because she doesn't have that order demo actually put in there. That's okay. All right. I mean, definitely you wouldn't have something like that, but there is something that's on her page that's forcing it to go to this page here, and I can't change that. So I'm okay with having this, my home page, my issues page, my candidates page, my contact page, my shop page. All right? So that pretty much gets me through chapter 12. What I'm going to do next is there's a fairly short chapter in here. It looks like it's about 15 or 20 pages on web promotion. Again, there will only be one lecture on that, and that will be based off of the PowerPoints. There will not be any update to the Trump website. All right, there'll be nothing, no updates to that. All right, so I'm going to do that, and there'll be just one lecture, and then there is no homework on chapter 13. Well, maybe there is. I guess it's to add some meta tags. So we can come in there, and if we need to, we can go back to our chapter 12 one and add meta tags. It's not that big a thing one way or the other. And then I'm going to go on to chapter 14, which is the last chapter in the book. That'll get me to page 557, and the last chapter is fairly lengthy. It's about 60 pages long. All right, I won't have time to do that today, but hopefully sometime tomorrow or on Wednesday I can do that. All right, and then I'll kind of finish up the site and finish up, for lack of better words, finish up the class. All right, so I'll be back with that chapter 13 stuff shortly.